In this video, I am going to solve exercise 13.6 of class 9 math from NCERT textbook onward. Question number 5. So, in question number 5, it has been given it cost rupees 2200 to paint inner curved surface area of a cylinder vessels. Okay, cylinder vessels. Okay, this is cylindrical vessels 10 meter deep. Okay, if the cost of painting is at the rate of 20 per meter square, then we have to ask find first inner curved surface area of the vessels, and second radius of the base, and third capacity of the vessels. Okay, so it is given that cost of paint. Okay, cost of paint to the inner CSA. Okay, which is equal to rupees 2200, and rate is also given. Its rate is given rupees 20 per meter square. Okay, then inner CSA of the vessels is determined by dividing the total cost by the rate of per meter square. Okay, so therefore inner CSA of the vessels equal to total cost, which is equal to 2200. Okay, 2200 divided by the rate of per meter, which is given rupees 20. Okay, rupees 20 per meter square. Okay, now simplify, 0 0 cancel out, and this is 2 1 0, which is equal to 110 meter square. Okay, so this is inner curved surface area of the vessel. Clear? And in second part, we have to ask find the radius of the base. Okay, radius of the base. So dear children, as we know, the base of the cylinder in the form of circle. Okay, so radius of the base equal to means area of base, okay, which is pi r square. But here we have find out inner curved surface area of the vessels. Okay, so this is the inner curved surface area. So we know inner CSA here calculated 110, and this is, we know, inner CSA means inner CSA of cylinder 2 pi RH. Okay, 2 pi RH equal to 110, and here and pi is 22/7, and radius height is given 10
So that is
meter.
allowed
Okay.
to
So this
attend
is
the
10 meter
classes
equal to
from
110.
this place.
10.
You have to
Implies
extend your radius
radius equal to
as per the
110
plan.
into 2 divided by 10 into 7. Okay, this is 10 into 7 and 2 into 22 by 10. So 0 0 cancel out. 11 2 22 equal to 7
This
by
means also
4.
half your
Okay, so radius equal to 7 by 4 meter.
Remember, you have to check the screenshot of
Dividing 7 by 4, so
participating
you will get
students
1.25 meter.
plus
Okay,
price
this
code.
is the radius of the base of a cylinder. 1 point, this is 75. 1.75, this is the radius of the base of a cylinder. And third, you have to ask capacity of the vessel. Okay, third, capacity of the vessels. Okay, capacity of the vessels. We know capacity of the vessels is calculated by pi r square s. So the value of pi is 22 by 7 and its radius here find out 7 by 4. So right, 7 by 4 and height is 110 meter. Okay, 7 cancel out and this is 11 2 5 and to simplify, finally we get the capacity of the vessels equal to 96.25. Okay, 96.25 meter cube. Okay, this is required answer of question number 5. Okay. Now move to the question number 6. So in this question, it has been said that the capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel of a height 1 meter is 15.4 liter. Okay. Then how many square meter of metal? Okay, how many square meter of metal sheet would be needed to make it? Okay, children. So the capacity of a closed cylindrical vessels is given. Capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel equal to 15.4 liter. Okay, now we change in centimeter cube, so we need to multiply 1000 centimeter cube. So this is 15.14 multiplied by 1000 centimeter cube, because we know 1 liter equal to 1000 centimeter cube volume. Okay, so finally this is 15.400 centimeter cube. So capacity of closed cylinder means volume of closed cylinder is 15400 centimeter cube. and its height is given, which is 1 meter. So height is given, height equal to 1 meter, and as we know, in 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. So the capacity of closed cylindrical vessels, which is pi r square h. So pi r square h equal to, this is 1.400 centimeter cube. This implies the value of pi here 22/7. Okay, and radius, here radius is not given, so this is r square and h is 100 centimeter. So write 100 centimeter equal to 1.400 centimeter cube. So this implies r square equal to, here 2 0 cancel out on both sides, so 154 into 7 divided by 22 centimeter square, and 1 centimeter also cancel out. Okay, now simplify. So this is 154 divided by 22 in 7 times. Okay, so r square equal to 7 into 7 centimeter square. This is r equal to 7 centimeter. So radius of the base of a cylindrical vessel is 7 centimeter. Okay. Then we have to ask how many square meter of metal sheet would be needed to make it. So this means we need to find the total surface area of the cylinder. Okay, total surface area of the cylinder. So metal sheet is required, which is equal to 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. Okay, 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. So this is 2 into 22/7 into radius. Here we have to find out 7 centimeter. So write 7 in bracket, 7 plus height is 100 centimeter. So 7 cancel out, and 2 multiplied by 22, which is equal to 44, and 7 plus 100 gives me 107, and now multiply 44 by 107. Okay, 44 by 107. So it's get 4708 centimeter square. 4708 centimeter square, and in meter we need to divide by 1000. Okay, equal to centimeter square. This is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1. Okay, so this is 0.4708 meter square. This is the metal sheet required for making closed cylindrical bases of height 1 meter, okay, and capacity 15.2 liter. This is required answer of question number 6.